Welcome back, dear guys. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5. Chapter 5, a different kind of school. The book is Honeysuckle. Honeysuckle, chapter 5, a different kind of school. Just in this lesson, the writer is telling about a different kind of a school. Just we are going to learn about this school. A man was there and he had heard about a school. That is, this school was run by Miss Beam. This school was run by Miss Beam, and this man wanted to know about this school. He had heard a great deal about this school. A great deal, बहुत कुछ इस स्कूल के बारे में सुन चुका था. That's why he wanted to learn something about this school. Just after a week, he got a chance. After a week, he got a chance to visit this school. You see what happens there? When the man arrived there, where this school was, when this man arrived there, where this school was, just he saw no one was there. No person was there, but a girl, only a girl of 12 years old, about 12 years old, a girl was there. Her eyes were bandaged. This man saw a girl was there and her eyes were bandaged. पट्टी, आँख पर पट्टी लगी हुई थी. And she was being led carefully. This girl was being led by a little boy through flower beds. फूलों के क्यारी से होते हुए दिस गर्ल वॉज बींग लेड बाई ए बॉय. एक लड़के द्वारा उसे ले जाया जा रहा था. वाई? बिकॉज देर वॉज बैंडेज ओवर हर आईज. वॉज अबाउट दैट इज दिस बॉय व्हेन शी फेल्ट दैट समवन वॉज देयर. जब उसने महसूस किया कि कोई वहाँ आया हुआ है, शी stopped there and she looked like she asked him who had come. Just she asked the boy. This girl who was 12 years old, she asked the boy who had come. कौन आया है? Just she asked the boy. He seemed to be describing me to her. Just the boy described about us. This boy told about us to the girl. Then they passed on. They passed on from there. वहाँ से गुजर गए, आगे बढ़ गए. Passed on from there. Miss Beam was all. Just he is going to tell about Miss Beam. What kind of lady she was? What kind of this lady was? She was a woman of middle age. Neither she was too old nor too young, and full of authority, full of power. Energetic lady she was. She was energetic lady, powerful. She had power, and yet kindly and understanding. She was a lady of kind nature, and also a lady of understanding. A lady of understanding. Her hair was beginning to turn grey. Her hair was going to turn grey. Her hair was turning grey now. She had the kind of plump figure, fat figure. She was a lady of fat figure. That is likely to be comforting to a homesick child. I asked her, the man who was present there and who wanted to know about this school, he asked this lady some questions about her teaching methods. This man wanted to know methods of teaching. He wanted to know, and he asked some questions. इस महिला से उन्होंने कुछ questions पूछा. What was the methods of teaching there? Methods of teaching which I had heard were simple. That is, this man had heard that method of teaching was very simple there. Very simple methods of teaching were used there. That's why he wanted to know about these methods. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things. Just simple spelling. Just the lady, Miss Beam, told simple spelling was taught there. It was taught there. Simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and also writing. The rest is done by reading to them and by interesting talks. Through interesting talks and reading to them. And other thing, what was there? That is during which they have to sit still. Students were very peaceful atmosphere. शांत वातावरण में बैठे होते. They were sitting. Students were sitting in peaceful position. Keep their hands quiet, and there are practically no other lessons. That is, they were taught like this. These were the methods of teaching at this school of Miss Beam. There are and the real aim of what is the aim of this school? What is the mission purpose of this school? What was the aim purpose? क्या था इस स्कूल का? The real aim of this school is not so much to teach thought. Students were not taught thought, as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others. A man should be kind to others and being responsible citizens. That is, students were taught to be responsible citizens. जिम्मेदार नागरिक होने की कला वहाँ पढ़ाई जाती थी. They were taught to be responsible. That is, look out of the window a minute. Well, just he looked out of the window. खिड़की से बाहर जब उस व्यक्ति ने देखा, I went to the window which overlooked a large garden. He saw. The man saw a large garden through the window. खिड़की से देखा एक बड़ा बागीचा था. One side and a playground also. And at the back side a playground was there. A playground, बड़ा सा खेलने का मैदान, खेल का मैदान था. And in other side through the window he saw a large garden. And what do you see? Miss Beam asked. Next portion of this lesson I will explain later. Thanks.